One common question I get about insurance for real estate investors is how can I maximize my coverage and minimize my insurance costs? And this is a great question, and the answer is it's a delicate balance. But there are a couple things that I recommend for people to maximize their insurance coverage without sacrificing too much of their cash flow. And the first one is to get a bunch of different insurance quotes. So at least 3 for your property. And when you're evaluating the quotes, you want to look at both the cost and the coverage. And a lot of people focus on the cost and they don't take a deep look into the amount of coverage, which is just as important as the cost. The next thing that I recommend people asking about is the claims process. This is something that most people don't think about until they actually have to file an insurance claim. And at that point, you're probably dealing with some sort of a disaster, and you don't want to have the secondary disaster be trying to navigate a confusing and convoluted claims process, because some insurance companies make it very difficult to file a claim and collect on an insurance claim. So when you're discussing insurance with your agent, make sure you talk about what the claims process looks like, how long it usually takes, and make sure that it's not something that seems like it's impossible to navigate. And finally, always ask your network for referrals. Reach out to your friends, family, and other real estate professionals, especially bankers and agents, and ask them about insurance providers that provide good coverage at a fair price and are easy to work with when it comes to the insurance claims process. So those are 3 tips for maximizing your insurance coverage and trying to minimize the impact that it has on your cash flow as an investor.